Look, couple months ago I was a nobody. Now my name carries weight heavy like a dead body. I see a lot of George Foremans, I'm Muhammad Ali. Ask yourself why Ambitious Entertainment had to sign me. I'm so pitori, I'ma get it tatted on me. My campfire and we here to tell a story. I'm the messiah of our time and they know it. I'm still a god with the rhyming and the flow. And yeah, now I sing and they started to reconsider. Long story short, I kill in every category. Look man, and numbers don't lie, we can show it. I didn't even want to do the cypher thing. I mean, my money up, rapping like a poet. But I might as well since they gave the boy a moment. So I'ma go ahead, do it better than last year. Cause ain't nobody trying to go back there. Those were funny raps, very hilarious. This game really got some weird characters. The music sounding hella wavy lately. Been in training, breaking rules, bravely making tunes. Not you and your whole crew could do. That is due to being comfortable, being afraid to move to something new. OGs have been overruled, it's been long overdue. The kid from 012, still the truth. Dr. Seuss incredible with all his quotables. I ain't afraid of nobody. I embody a God in the human body. So logically, I'm automatically godly. Whether or not I rap, acknowledge the boy got it, I'm sorry. Look. First of all, let me get one thing clear. I do not sound like David, get the f out of here. I'm the best to ever do it, I'm the king, I'm the heir. And it's Reece, I'm out of here. Yeah.